Our lesson today is about a book named The Tram to Bondi Beach of Elizabeth Harton. Bondi is a beach located in Sydney, as we know that there are no trams in Sydney anymore. There are some pictures I have collected. Did a tram in Greece? Did a tram in Spain? And this is a Hello Kitty tram in Italy. This is a tram in Melbourne. And last one, tram in Bondi in past time. There are also pictures about Bondi Beach in past time and recent time and map of Bondi. Out of the reading activity, we also have some writing activity to do today. Before reading this book, we will have a quick look at the picture, cover page, and predict what will this book about tram, about the paper boy who was pictured at the front cover page, about the beach, or something else. We also will have some writing to do at the end of the class that can be related to the picture or information of the story. I want you to understand the use of vocabulary in this text that express great precision of meaning, such as noise of the tram, action of a paper boy when he was selling papers. Can you change this word to another word that have similar meaning that easier for you to understand? Write down new words that you do not understand and we will discuss about them at the end of class. I hope you will enjoy reading this book and learn some new information in social context as well as literature express.